Okay, I'm at 7427 Sweet Rose for the final inspection for the repairs. I see the garage door, one panel replaced, but there hasn't been paint. I see the yard has been taken care of nicely, nice red mulch. The fence has been taken care of. Red mulch around the bushes. Nice frame around the mulch area. I see the new carpet replacement in the house. My suggestion is get another coat of paint on the front door. I see some paintings on the frame, so it should be cleaned up, and maybe put one more coat paint over the front door. I see we need to do cleaning on the tile. I see some paint drops. Carpet replacement looks great. Just needs cleaning, final cleaning. Just the whole way. On the bathroom, what I see definitely needs to be deep cleaned. I see blue tapes, especially the bathtub. What I suggest is the caulking around the bathtub should be redone. Just scrape it down and it should be nicely done, and it's going to look much cleaner that way. If you see the bottom right there, it needs to be cleaned up. And then there's a leak. There's a leak right behind this toilet, and the toilet itself is leaking, so that should be taken care of, and also of course cleaning. And the side of the cabinet in the bathroom is just a raw wood. Should be put up same type of paneling on the front of it to cover it, or just needs a paint. It's just raw wood. It's not gonna look good in the wet areas. So again, here it needs to be cleaned up well, and the toilet leak and behind the toilet area needs to be fixed, and the bathtub, around the bathtub with the tile where it meets, needs to be recaulked. And then the bedrooms, I checked again, new carpets, fans are working, lights working, no problem there. This is the second bedroom, same thing, blinds are installed, looks good. Paint looks good, always the same color. Trims are nice. This is the master bedroom, fan and lights working. Closet all the way, the carpet installed. And the master bathroom, again, floor needs to be cleaned up. The countertop needs to be cleaned up, sink as well. I'm sure this will be done by the deep cleaning. Again, at the shower area, this corners needs to be really cleaned. Looks ugly for, even if it's for rental purposes, needs to be cleaned up. The shower head, I recommend to be checked. It's a lot of calcium buildup. Maybe consider replacing it. Again, I recommend recaulking it around the tiles, the corners, and clean up. AC is working, was set for 84 degree. Yes, you feel 84 degree inside. Outside as of now is like 95. So you feel the cool air a little bit. So it is working. All the blinds are installed, as you see, and the kitchen Breakfast area tile, again, if I see paint drops, these are needs to be removed on the cleaning. And you should have the final on that if you're using the Pete's cleaner. Make sure you get a okay from Pete after they clean the place. Again, the sink area needs to be cleaned up. And the refrigerator definitely needs to be cleaned up. I see it's working. It's cold. Freezer is working. It looks nasty. It should be cleaned up, and especially right around the refrigerator stuff there. The refrigerator should be moved up, cleaned underneath the tiles, and then put it back in after they clean it. And the garage area, okay. There are some paint drops on the garage floor, but it's not necessary to clean up it since it's a garage. Other than that, it's nice and clean. And I see that previous water softener tank system here. And I see that the spare paints there. Paints can stay there since the house painted in the same color, but I don't know what's the plan on the tank. So it should be removed. Other than that, the jobs are done, and maybe you can just point out that items, and then I'll finish up the list and send the pictures and the video tonight. One other thing, I checked the outside. You'll see from the pictures, the screen porch area, I see some debris from the cleaning. Those should be removed. Other than that, everything looks intact. Outside lights working. So and that will cover the final repair inspection on 7427 Sweet Rose.